Well, hello there. And so begins the convoy to the Phillip Island GP on Sunday. We just met up at the Cockatoo Fire Brigade, and as I saw one of the volunteers walking up towards us, I was totally expecting them to tell us off for parking in their parking lot. I'm just there because the ride leader's there. And to my complete shock and surprise, here she is giving us cans of Coke Zero, I think it is. It's a bit early in the morning, and personally I believe the fireys deserve stuff from us, not the other way around, so I declined, but it looks like it ended up in someone else's backpack. I am somewhat prepared with 2 bottles of water, 1.5 litres total. Delays expected, not today, that's fine. Delays are of course expected when we arrive at the island, but that's a different story. So what have we had happen so far this weekend? Well, Friday, kind of ignored that, I had stuff to do. That was practice. Saturday, we had the Cranbourne GP ride, which I had to sort of ditch halfway for another appointment that I couldn't reschedule. And Saturday night, afternoon, evening, I returned for a barbecue at a friend's beach house there, which was great. Another solo rider behind us. Just trying to think, which road am I on? Rider's making his way up the pack. He's into third. Can he take second? Round the outside. Sorry. Qualifying happened yesterday afternoon. I didn't get to see it myself, although I have recorded it, only because I was riding back to Phillip Island at the time. I was told who got pole position, but I can't remember. But if you're that interested, you probably already know anyway, so who cares? And by the time you watch this, the race is over. What else? Yeah, a couple of interesting things happened on the morning ride yesterday. We had a lot more riders turn out this year than last year, I'm told. Early estimates are 14,000 riders, all going through the centre of one medium-large sized town, out towards the borders of Metro Melbourne. For once, the bikes were all stuck in a traffic jam and the cars are moving faster. And then onto a further town, you get all the people lining up on the side of the road. You got people parking their cars and putting their kids standing up in the boot with the lid open, of course, or trunk, I think you say in America. And then you get the really brave / stupid ones who stick their hand out for a high five. And the road is 60 kph, which I think equates to about 40-45 miles an hour. And I was doing about 50 at the time, so that's around 30 miles an hour. think. And I knew it was going to hurt, but you know, that's an experience more for them than for me. So yeah, we stuck the hand out, missed the first one, shimmied the bike over a little bit, and oh yeah, that hurt. Ow, that hurt. And these are mostly little kids and a few mothers too. I gave a high five to, and one of them, I don't know what she did differently, if it was just a larger hand or if she put a bit of a swing onto it, but that one really stood out. This really hurts! Well, I've got to feel sorry for the kids though, because I'm sure it hurt them more than it hurt me. Of course, none of the guys go for the high five because they probably know better. Okay, these two guys are in a hurry. Oh no, that's not one of ours, is it? Oh crap, he's bleeding. I'll get onto it. Yeah, someone's on the phone. If you want to start coming. Hi there.
G'day mate, you on the ISCOM, are you?
Not in, no, sorry. The lady down the front is with the gentleman.
No worries. Alright, thanks mate, I'll go and get her details. Do you want to go back to your bike, please?
Okay. Well done.
Good job. Good job. Really good job.
And well, that's the list of things that have happened this week. But the story I'm told is that had nothing to do with those two guys that had some risky overtakes, which I saw coming, but I was expecting they'd take a little more time to assess and wait for me to give the okay. I was in the middle of saying, yes, I've seen you, when the first one went past me. But in fact I'm told he was coming from the other direction. And he was already down before the first of our group went around the corner and saw him. So we were the first to find him in a crashed state. Now I just don't understand how he's managed to do it, because well, he's already avoided that dead wombat, which is a good start. But yeah, the corner was still some way away, and it wasn't a sharp one or a decreasing radius one. The speed limit is only 60 or 70 here. 70, I believe. So the surface was fine. I couldn't see any, oil or such on the road. The road was a bit of drizzle earlier, but so what? The whole road was the same. That part of the road didn't have bumps or potholes. So I can only assume he's grabbed too much front brake for whatever reason. And he's dropped the bike on his leg, which looked pretty messed up. I did see a bit of blood on the road, and I don't think the angle of his joint was correct. So that was pretty sad. That's his weekend and a few more months. Messed up a bit. Anyway, let's try and get positive again. That's not us. I'm just grouping up. On the prism at 8:30, so I'm definitely not getting my 2 hours work out of this. That's quite annoying. I suppose I could turn it off and get a couple of minutes as we arrive. Should have thought of that earlier. Well, here we are.
He's right in there, and Livio Lloyd, he's come from a long way back. He'll be in 4th place as they tip through the first corner.
Livio Lloyd's one of the few on the medium, the soft front.
The good news is it looks like they're all through. Very tight further back in the pack. Young's Mog has made a great start. He's come a fair way forward from his grid position, which was a long way back. Saw his teammates Ponds have a good start as well. Look at Ponds riding it in there. We saw him do that in morning warm-up this morning. It was pretty much the same result. Went wide, but still managed to get the bike fired out. And our pole man Alex Rance has got away well. He's sitting in a very comfortable 3rd place at the moment. And it's that, sitting in 4th place at the moment.
Start going from 3rd into 2nd, and Alex Ponds looked to ride from the gap now at the end of that lap out to 0.6 of a second, 0.625 as Alex
comes back hard. A bit of a touch there on the back of Rossi as they head towards Siberia. Rossi's on the inside. Looks at the one as they go from Siberia. Down into turn 10 bracket, there is nothing surer. Hold that line. They feel that Lorenzo's got good drawing out of turn 10 to turn 11. Rossi in 4th position as they come to turn 11 for the final time. Rossi's not going to be able to slipstream Manoni onto the straight either. No, not necessarily. Not really. I don't think Rossi is the whole thing. Here's Marquez going to take the drag, takes the the race win in the best possible circumstances. On the final lap, and Marquez is another one into the record book. And look at the pit box of the Reptile Honda squad going absolutely ballistic, and we must be pleased that following the completion of the Moto GP race, patience must not...
Last time I was here, we were trying to drift around that corner.
Last time you were here?
Yeah.
Race day?
No, on a track day.
Yeah, track day.
Oh, you're joking. Sorry guys. My face is so badly burnt.